guys, welcome to the channel Analysis Made Simple. So in this video, I'll be showing how to compute the variable in SPSS. First and foremost, why to compute a variable? So for example, in the study, you are seeing a tobacco practice. So there are n number of questions as I can show you with an example I created. So there are first and second question. Have you used chewing tobacco and did you smoke in past 60 days? So it will fall under the tobacco practice. So you have to combine the first question and the second question to get the average score of the tobacco practice. So first you code the options, that is 1 as no, 2 as yes, or 0 as no, 1 as yes, according to your choice. Now depending upon the options you have coded, so when I combine the first and second question, the values will range from 0 to 2 when you combine the two questions. So I have taken the cutoff, that is less than 1.0 as no and more than 1.1 as yes. So we'll code the data as shown here in SPSS. So come back to SPSS near the option transform. Then go to the compute variable. Here in the function group, scroll down for the statistic, mean, take it to a numeric expression dialog box. Choose the questions you want to compute as a single variable. Now, name that variable, that is your tobacco, practice in my case. So then click OK. So go to transform again, recode into different variable. Choose the variable you have created just now. Again, you give the new name as tobacco practice total. Just copy the same name to the label again and change. So now let's code the data. So for example, the range, as we have already decided, less than 1.0 will be coded as 1. And the value, that is through the highest of 1.1, will be coded as 2. So continue and click OK. So now before we do the analysis, we'll go to the variable view and search for the variable created. Now in the column values, click on right button and the value 1 will label, that is what did we code as? 1 is no. So no, add, and 2 as yes, add, and click on OK button. Now we'll go for analysis, descriptive, frequency, and choose the variable we have created and click OK. So you can see the results. No is 16, yes is 2565. So this is how we compute a variable and do the analysis. Thank you for watching.